Imagine growing a brand new YouTube channel from zero to over 29,000 subscribers and gaining more than 12 million views, all within just 3 days. While it sounds almost unbelievable, by following a clear and strategic approach, this level of success is absolutely achievable. In this video, viewers will discover a proven step-by-step system that anyone can use to jumpstart massive YouTube growth. Whether someone is stuck with 0 views or struggling to reach 1,000 subscribers, this method offers a repeatable blueprint to build momentum fast. It's time to grab a notebook and dive in, because this strategy could completely transform the YouTube journey for many aspiring creators. First, let's understand why curating and repurposing viral content works so powerfully. On YouTube, audience attention is the ultimate currency. If viewers enjoy a particular type of content once, they are highly likely to enjoy variations of it again. Many top creators aren't necessarily inventing brand new ideas. Instead, they repackage and remix formats that are already proven to resonate. According to the 2024 YouTube Trend Report, over 60% of viral videos are based on existing trends, challenges, or previous viral concepts. When executed properly, curating viral content isn't just efficient, it's a highly strategic growth method. Applying this strategy can produce stunning results. In just 3 days, a new channel can accumulate more than 12 million views, achieve over 86,000 views on a single video in under 24 hours, receive thousands of organic likes and comments. One of the most impressive findings is that the average view duration remained above 70%, meaning viewers stayed engaged through most of the video. This strong retention rate sends a clear signal to YouTube's algorithm, leading to even wider organic reach and further boosting a channel's growth. The key takeaway here is simple: focus not just on uploading videos, but on creating highly engaging, high retention content that keeps viewers watching. Now let's address an important question. Is it easy to get monetized with this method? YouTube's partner program has 2 primary requirements. A channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. The channel must either reach 4,000 watch hours within the past 365 days or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Sometimes the analytics dashboard updates slowly, so patience is necessary. It can take up to a week for YouTube systems to refresh and show the latest stats. For those wondering if this strategy is sustainable, there is strong evidence that it is. Multiple channels following the same approach have been verified as monetized. Using free YouTube monetization checker tools, these channels were confirmed to be active members of the partner program, proving that this method is not just a one-time fluke, but a repeatable and scalable strategy. Now let's walk through the complete process starting from day 1. The first step is setting up the YouTube channel properly. To choose a unique channel name, a free tool like Keyend can be used to generate dozens of creative options instantly. Alternatively, ChatGPT or similar tools work just as well. By entering a customized prompt, users can generate around 50 channel name ideas tailored to the niche they want to target. Once the name is selected, the next step is designing a clean logo and banner using Canva. By simply searching terms like YouTube logo and YouTube banner, anyone can find professional-looking templates to customize for their brand. After finalizing the logo and banner, these are uploaded directly to the YouTube channel. For the channel description, keeping it short, simple, and clear, such as ranking top content, is highly recommended. First impressions matter. A clean visual identity and a concise description help build instant trust with new viewers, increasing the likelihood that they will subscribe. Before uploading any content, it's important to warm up the channel. For the first 3 days, the new account should be used to watch videos, leave likes, and engage genuinely on YouTube. This behavior tells YouTube's system that the channel is authentic and reduces the risk of being flagged as spam or too low quality. After the 3-day warm-up period, the first video is uploaded. Initial results may be modest, perhaps around 9,000 views for the first upload, but the key is not to get discouraged. Early momentum isn't built on one video, it's built on consistency. However, manually editing videos every day can become overwhelming very quickly. And this is why many successful channels streamline their production workflow using AI editing tools like Clippy AI. Clippy AI dramatically accelerates the video creation process without sacrificing quality. Here is the exact system. First, find viral clips by searching TikTok for trending topics such as funny baby moments. Next, save interesting clips by using free TikTok downloader websites. Collect about 5 strong clips for each video idea. Then upload the clips into Clippy AI and use the top 5 video feature, which automatically stitches them together into a seamless compilation video. This method is super fast and easy, enabling creators to maintain a high posting frequency without burning out. Before finalizing the video, it's crucial to optimize it for viewer engagement. Customize the text style, colors, and fonts to make the video visually appealing. Rather than using generic titles, add fun creative captions that encourage interaction. For example, instead of simply labeling a clip "cute baby sleeping," ask a playful question like, "What would you call this hilarious sleeping pose?" Such interactive titles invite viewers to comment, significantly boosting engagement, a major factor that the YouTube algorithm prioritizes. Once the editing is complete, the final video is exported and saved, ready for upload. To wrap up, here are some key success tips that greatly increase the chances of building a thriving channel. And always launch with at least 5 to 10 videos ready. This gives new visitors plenty of content to binge watch, boosting total watch time and increasing subscriber conversions. Encourage interaction at the start and end of every video by reminding viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Small prompts like these can double engagement rates over time. Finally, leverage both consistency and smart automation tools like Clippy AI. By posting regularly and optimizing production workflows, it becomes possible to scale a YouTube channel rapidly without burning out. In summary, curate and remix trending content smartly, post consistently to build traction, automate video production wherever possible to save time and energy. Focus heavily on viewer engagement, likes, comments, and average watch time. Prepare multiple videos in advance to create a binge-worthy experience for new viewers. Everyone starts somewhere. The best time to begin growing a YouTube channel is right now, not tomorrow, not someday. The opportunities are bigger than ever for creators willing to put in the work. If this guide provided value, remember to smash the like button. So comment "I am ready" down below and subscribe for more powerful YouTube growth strategies. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for even more exciting tips in the next video.